Hello everyone, welcome to Roblotics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these three circuits. To start off, click the green button to claim a board. Next, open your menu and navigate to View. Clicking this will toggle your camera from you to your board. You can press the middle mouse button to move your board around. For the basics of the GUI, clicking on an item will open its type. You can place things by clicking on a hole in the board and then clicking on another unoccupied hole. Some items have set distances you may need to stay above or below to place it. If you go above the distance, the highlighted hole will turn black. The first hole you click on will always be the input and the second hole will be the output. Hovering over a hole will update your GUI to tell you its charge and ampage, which you can see on the top left. You should keep in mind your ampage level, because if you put too much power into something it breaks. For example, this LED. This is where our next item will come in. A resistor limits the flow of electricity and prevents any from flowing backwards. We can use that to limit how much positive energy is going into an LED, and it will turn on. Now that you know how to make a light turn on, it's time to learn how to turn it off, and then back on again. Switches are an item with a button on them, and when toggled allow electricity to flow through it both ways. Now that we can toggle power on and off, let's do the same thing we did before. And there you go. Now you can turn off and on a light. The next item we will learn about is transistors, which effectively are an AND statement like you would use in coding. The two types of transistors are NPN, negative, positive, negative, and PNP, positive, negative, positive. When placing a transistor, the first place you click is the input, the second place you click is the conditional, and the third place is the output. I'm going to combine what we learned about switches to turn this PNP and this NPN on and off. As you can see, when the first two conditions are met, the power goes to the output. Now that we know all of this, it's time to combine it. And now we have a master switch that turns off both the lights. This circuit also keeps the red light on even when the green switch is turned off. This is an example of RAM.